Hey, what is up, everyone? Watching football is absolutely awesome, but finding where to watch the game is not so awesome. It is ridiculously complicated for some reason. You need a million different subscriptions: Amazon Prime, ESPN, Peacock, Netflix, and more. That can cost you $100 a month. Even then, you only get some of the games. And regional blackouts really suck. There is always Sunday Ticket, right? Sure, you can get that for $480. But again, I hope you like blackouts. Or you pay $378 to get most of the games. But you also need YouTube TV for another $80 a month. That adds up to a total of about $800. Football should never be this expensive. And it does not have to be. I found something years ago that changed everything. It is one of the best kept secrets out there. NFL Game Pass, this is it. This almost seems too good to be true. It is a self-contained streaming service for live games. Think of it as the Netflix of football. Yes, you get live games, every single one of them, no blackouts at all. Everything is in one place. The best part is that it is actually affordable. It is roughly $20 a month. So why does everyone not have this for the season? It is because they only make it available to international audiences. The best NFL streaming app exists, but we are locked out. Except I found the key, and it is very easy. I am sharing it with you right here on TechVibes. It is a VPN. That is the tool that lets you bounce your signal to another place. This works perfectly with NFL Game Pass. Now you can get access and enjoy football like a normal person. You do not have to sell a kidney to watch a game. It really is so easy. Let me show you how. First off, you will need a VPN. I have tried many and found a favorite that works great. Once you sign up, you are ready to go. Next, you need to turn on your VPN. Set up your location to an international spot. This will get you ready to rock and roll. Game Pass is currently hosted on a specific sports streaming site. The NFL has partnered with them. You want to head over to that page. When you are there, check this out. You can actually watch the preseason for free right now. This is a huge deal. I highly recommend trying this out first. You can make sure everything is working properly. Do this before paying for the rest of the season. Right now, I am watching for free, not a single penny spent. If I were doing this for the first time, I would be losing my mind. Now that you have tried it, you will see how epic the app is. You will wish you had been using this method for years. Go ahead and grab whichever subscription you want. This gives you access to live broadcasts. You get American commentators in English in real time. There are no blackouts for the NFL season. And again, it is very cheap. It converts to roughly 22 or 23 bucks. But that is it. Welcome to easy and affordable football. I have a couple of notes before you head out. 1. Make sure your VPN is on before going to the site. Otherwise, they will not let you in. Next, if you have issues, try using Chrome. Clearing your cache works wonders for me. Lastly, if you want to watch on your TV, it is simple. You can use an HDMI cable from your laptop. Or you can find the VPN app on your mobile device, cast it to your TV. It works on Fire Stick, smart TVs, Xbox, and more. Just make sure the streaming app is also on that device. I use a Fire Stick myself and it is super easy. I hope Game Pass is available to everyone one day. This is how watching football is supposed to feel. No jumping between apps or expensive bundles. Just one app in one place. Good luck on your football journey this year. I hope this video makes the best sport easier to access. Get ready because it is football season. If you enjoyed this guide on TechVibes, please hit the like button. Make sure to subscribe for more tech tips. Drop a comment below and let me know your favorite team.